Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2020, the Castle of Magical Dreams was first unveiled at Hong Kong Disneyland as part of its 15th anniversary celebration. The reimagined castle replaced the park's original centerpiece, the Sleeping Beauty Castle. It's the only Disney castle to be reimagined, and it takes inspiration from multiple cultures and stories, 14 in total. Guests can spot nods to Snow White, Cinderella, Aurora, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Pocahontas, Mulan, Tiana, Rapunzel, Merida, Anna, Elsa, and Moana. And it debuted 5 years ago. Have you seen this castle? What do you think of it? I love it. Anyway, have a magical day.